Namaste. In this video, we are going to learn about division of polynomials. There are basically two methods, long division method and synthetic division method. In this video, we are going to discuss about long division method. Let us say we have to divide 5x cubed minus 12x squared plus 17x minus 6 by x minus 1. So the first thing we need to check is arrange the terms of dividend and divisor in the descending order of the powers of the variable. Here they are directly given in the required form. So we'll write the dividend and divisor in the respective places. Now the first step of division is the first term of dividend is to be divided by the first term of divisor, and the result will be the first term of the quotient. So if we divide 5x cubed by x, we get 5x squared. This is the first term in the quotient. Now multiply the 5x squared with the divisor and write down below the dividend. So we will get 5x cubed minus 5x squared. Now subtraction, for that we need to change the sign of the polynomial which is written below. So it will be minus 5x cubed plus 5x squared. Now plus 5x cubed and minus 5x cubed will get cancelled, and minus 12x squared plus 5x squared will result as minus 7x squared, and then you have to drop or take down the next term from the dividend, that is plus 17x. Now again repeat the process. Divide the first term minus 7x squared by the first term of divisor, that is x, and you will get the next term in the quotient, which is minus 7x. Now multiply this minus 7x with the divisor and write down below the dividend. So we have minus 7x squared plus 7x. Now just like the previous step, subtraction, we'll change the sign. It will be plus 7x squared minus 7x, and then plus 7x squared minus 7x squared get cancelled, and 17x minus 7x will give us 10x, and then take minus 6, which is the next term in the dividend. Now again repeat the same process. First term 10x is divided by the first term of divisor x to get the next term in the quotient. When we divide 10x by x, we get 10, means plus 10. Now multiply this with divisor and write down below the dividend. So 10x minus 10, and then change the sign for subtraction. 10x and minus 10x gets cancelled, and minus 6 plus 10 will give 4. Now we see that the degree of remainder is less than that of the divisor, and once this degree of remainder is less than that of the divisor, the division ends. So we got the answer, the quotient, as 5x squared minus 7x plus 10, and remainder as 4. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have to divide 9x squared plus 2x cubed minus 5 by x plus 4. So the first step is we have to arrange these terms in the descending order of the powers. So we have to write first 2x cubed, then plus 9x squared and minus 5. And here we see that the powers of the variables are 3, 2 and 0. The term with power 1 is missing. We may include that term with the coefficient 0. and then we proceed for the division as we have seen just before. Thank you for learning.